What's up everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be an eye makeup tutorial using some warm toned shadows to create a brown smoky eye. This will be a really easy look for you to recreate, and it will take minimal time because I know many of us in the morning have zero time or next to little time before we need to run out the door. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. I'm taking the color S'more on a MAC 224 brush, and I am just depositing that into the crease of my eye. I think I'm gonna need to get a new MAC 224. This brush is starting to get really scratchy on my eyes and it's starting to hurt. Next, I'm gonna take cashmere and continue building up my crease. I am now going to take the color Latte and put that into my crease, just a little bit lower though, just to really define it. And now taking a combination of Fireside and Cozy, I am going to use those two colors to smoke out the outer corner of my eye and move it a little further inwards. This is how we add dimension, people. It's how we add dimension. I'm also going to very gently put that into my crease. I'm using a very light hand to do this. Just going to spritz my brush with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to be going into the color Candle right over here. And that is gonna be my all over lid color. And I'm gonna tell you right now, Candle is a little crumbly, so just be very careful when you're applying it so that you don't get any fallout. Do you see how beautiful that color is? It has such incredible pigment. Dipping back into Fireside and Cozy, I'm just going to make sure the outer corner is nice and deep and blended in with that shimmerier color. And go back into my crease with those same colors, just to keep it nice and consistent. Then taking a mixture of Cashmere and S'more, so these two initial colors that we used in our crease, I'm going to go back into my crease very lightly to just blend everything out and make sure there are no harsh lines. As much as I love this palette, my only complaint is that it's really powdery. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Fireside on an angled brush, and I'm just going to smudge that along my lower lash line. Now, if you want a really fast look and you don't want to do your lower lash line, that's perfectly fine. You can just throw on a little bit of mascara and you are good to go. But I am keeping Fireside nice and tight on my lash line, because I do want to blend it out afterwards with a different color. I can't find the smudger brush that I really like right now, so I'm just going to use this Morphe E18 brush instead. Take a little bit of this color Cozy right here and use that to blend out the lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. For lashes today, I'm going to use these Ardell Faux Mink lashes. You don't have to add false lashes to this look. You can leave it as is and you are perfectly fine with just some mascara. I would just add a couple of extra coats, but no big deal. I just have a preference for lashes, which is why I'm throwing them on. I hope that lash is on well enough. Because I didn't put any eyeliner on, I have to get the lash as close to my lash line as possible, but I feel like that inner corner is just, it's not cooperating today, but I'm just gonna let it be and not fuss with it anymore. Whatever. These lashes were exhausting to put on. Oh my god. And they're still not lying perfectly in my inner corner, but whatever. What am I gonna do at this point? And there you have it, a simple warm tone smoky eye. I can never seem to get away from gold tones. I just love them. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. I can't wait to see all of your recreations, and when you do recreate this, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna link all of my social media details in the description box below for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You wouldn't want to miss this face every single day of the week. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are having an amazing day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.